Now Lacey whipped into the corner. Bayley in pursuit.
Beautiful.
Evans trying to catch her out of the corner. Oh, knee right to the side of the face. Bayley into the cover. Hook to the leg to put away Evans and a kick out.
Look, all respect to what you've done, Charlotte, here in WWE. One of the
Doesn't sound like respect.
top women superstars we've ever seen, but there's a lot of people lately who are saying that Bayley just has your number.
I couldn't disagree more. Who are these lot of people?
Just has my number.
Meaning she understands how to defeat you.
Oh, Lacey Evans with the elbow.
If she knew how to defeat me, she would wait till I was on my feet.
Evans cover on the champion. Bayley able to kick out.
I mean, would you go as far, Charlotte, as to say Bayley's championship win was tainted?
Wait, hold on.
Oh.
Oh, shit.
Queen's just getting a better look.
Yeah, that's all I'm getting.
Lacey continues to be a thorn in the side of Becky Lynch on Monday nights. Lacey here as a result of the wild card rule.
Lacey just got caught by Bayley, and that's the fighting spirit, Charlotte, you need to be concerned about when it comes to the SmackDown Women's Champion.
Saxton, I don't think you're in any position to tell Charlotte Flair what she needs to be concerned about.
I'm not even listening.
All right, I apologize on behalf of our team.
You can bow down, too.
Look out, Bayley on the move. Oh, to the face. And Bayley with a big clothesline.
Bayley has, Bayley's got to stay focused. Hey, wait a minute!
Bayley just blasted the Queen. And Charlotte Flair's going back in after Bayley.
Oh, watch out from behind.
Lacey Evans in the corner roll.
Wait a minute, Lacey. The official, Lacey could have had it right there. The cover and a kick up by Bayley.
Bayley counters.
Bayley's got a cover. Bayley's beaten Evans.
Here is your winner, the SmackDown Women's Champion, Bayley.
Bayley scores a victory over Lacey Evans, takes the fight to Charlotte Flair at ringside. Tell me this is not a renewed Bayley.
Listen, you got to give an assist to Charlotte Flair for Bayley's victory.